Spiritually, every possibility exists within you. Everything that you would like to become, everything that you would like to achieve is already within you. There is nothing called as मेरे नसीब में नहीं है when we talk about spiritual science. Everything exists. However, it remains in a dormant format. It needs to be activated, triggered to actually be realized. Whether you would like to be rich, whether you would like to be a great parent, have great relationships, have an accelerated progress in your career, excel in your studies, it doesn't matter. Anything that you would like to achieve or become is already within you. It needs to be discovered. And of course, the meaning of the word discovery means it is already there within you. That is why we say, discover your strengths. So it need not be created. It is already there. But it needs to be brought out. It needs to be revealed. And the fuel to achieve all of these are also within you. And usually when we talk about what you would like to achieve in your life, your goals in life, the fuel for achieving these goals are your emotions. The entire spectrum of emotions is already within you. All emotions are present in every human being. Anger is also within you. Love is also within you. Frustration is also within you. Peace, happiness is also within you. Motivation is also within you, and demotivation is also within you. In short, all the negative and positive emotions are within every human being. The question is, which one is getting triggered more often? Which one are you bringing out more and radiating outside? Undoubtedly, a lot of people say the outside events and the outside environment creates my inner feeling and emotion. And it's very easy to say that. तेरे वजह से मुझे गुस्सा आ रहा है. People don't say मुझे गुस्सा आ रहा है और I cannot handle my emotion. It's very easy to say because of you, because of the situation, I am feeling lonely, I am feeling upset, I am getting angry. But in life, if you consider this point to be true, there are only two options. Option number one, you wait for the outside environment to become positive and conducive for you to feel positive within. Or you bring about a change within yourself to start seeing the change in the outside world. Because spiritually, your inner environment creates the outer environment. Undoubtedly, it depends on the kind of people you spend time with. It depends on what you watch on media and social media. And it undoubtedly depends on the kind of self-talk and the kind of thoughts that you bring in your mind and that you are habituated to. However, the one thing that I would like every person to be mindful of, to be conscious of, to be aware of is everything that you would like to become or achieve, the possibility of it exists within you. So activate it, believe in it, and start realizing those possibilities in your life.